And funniest part is we're gonna use this box. Then cut the other side. And then you get left with good feeling, I guess, if that's a word. Huh? We are out.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yo, we back with another video. Yeah, I know we got it a little dirty around here. I know. But we got another ship out video, so let's find out which ones we need. Somewhere it's not a 9.5. Maybe it is. I guess it is a 9.5. I don't think I gotta get y'all on the table. I really don't feel like, getting enough space for that. I don't even have a tripod down here, so we just gonna use the box. All right, so we got these right here. We have the Air Jordan 1. I don't even know what they call it. Coral? I don't think that's. I don't know. I post them. I don't remember what it's called. It probably is. But yeah, these are fire. Personally, I wouldn't wear them. So we have so we're gonna have to redo the suede here. It's just a little rusty. It ain't nothing big. Yeah, it's probably the same thing for this shoe as well. Let's see. No, that one's cool. Oh, I know what I did. I cleaned like parts of it where it was dark at. Yeah. But we're gonna look for our brush for it. This is what we need right here. All I'm gonna do is go back and forth like this across the suede. Probably gonna go over it like 3 or 4 times till it gets like real soft, and you can see like it go back and forth, like you'll get a color difference. We're gonna probably do it for those two. And somebody did ask you to come with gold laces, and it did come with gold laces. Plus for them, because I said no. So we're gonna do this shoe, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, so I just got done with that. See, show y'all real quick what we got. Oops. See, that was on the roughest side. There we go. But now we're gonna go in with our secret spray and get a little darker, or not even darker, a little more good feeling, I guess, if that's a word. Huh? So I'm probably just gonna set this on top of there, right there, and just spray around it. All right, so we got done with that one. We're gonna do the exact same thing to that shoe, and then we're gonna go inside to get them plastic wrap. Okay, so we just got the brush done. We ended up spraying with our special spray. So now all we gotta do is go get these wrapped. I'm gonna come back for the plastic wrap just because y'all are already in my hand. Alright, I'm gonna move some of this out the way. So we're gonna plug this in. Oh. Grab the plastic wrap. I needed to buy more. We are out.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, we got one left. So we're not gonna wrap that. We're just gonna put this in a bag like this. That means we have to order some. These back out here. Alright, so all I'm gonna do is just put them in a bag. See, all I did was just put it in the bag. I'm surprised I even had this bag. Put it like that. Close it up, and I'll get these in a box. And the funniest part is we're gonna use this box. Check that out. Watch. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just figure out what's the size of it and like make a slit. Oops. I'm gonna make a slit like this, but on a different part, 4 times around sides, and it's gonna fit that. I'll show it to y'all. Watch. Okay, this is what I did. All I did was like use the side of the box to see what size I'm gonna do it, and then I cut the end, and then I used like the scissor point, like the point of this, and went down, all the way down, and cut the other side, and then you get left with perfect size box. I'm gonna close it up, put a business card in it, and then I'm gonna grab a label, and we're gonna be outside to take this to the post office. Okay, so we just got the label. Basically, I'm gonna just put it on the box, and then we're gonna be off to USPS. Yeah. Now we off.
You wanna just say, but you won't do it wrong. You wanna prove them wrong, but if you want me to hit and keep me close, yeah, run around so you can get some more.
All right, so we just made it to USPS. Let me see if I can get y'all the sign over there. Sign's like right there. But we are going to go in here and ship this sneaker. But other than that, that's it for the video. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, subscribe to the channel. But other than that, we out.